Today we have a video from Body Can, and the title of the video is Son's Rage Explodes, Officer Gets Hurt.
Angry son returned to finish hurting his mother, unaware that officers were already waiting.
He's apparently making his way back here. Is he going to be okay? You think he's going to continue to cause a problem? Is he a resident here?
He lives here.
Okay.
He tearing up my crib and he trying to pick up stuff like he finna harm one of us with it. Okay. I don't know what's wrong. We took him to the ER last night. They didn't observe him, check on him or nothing. They just let him out like that.
Okay, you left right out of there. You supposed to be watching over me.
I ain't supposed to be doing nothing.
No, shut up talking to me.
Don't argue.
Mama, you supposed to be figuring out why you steady leaving her with me. You my mama. I don't know this woman. What is she watching over me for? I don't need a babysitter.
Take a breath.
Okay, well, you're not going to tear up my crib.
All right, this is my crib.
Okay, so you finna go to jail. That's what's finna happen. Leave her alone.
Hey, Miss Sir.
She don't get out when I tell her to. Put it.
Hey! Hey!
Y'all finna make me mad. Don't do too much.
Okay, well, they still gotta.
Like, come on, guys. Come on, guys. Bystanders, move. Like, come on, man. You on the steps. You can't take a couple steps back. And then the mom, she right behind. Like, come on. Like, can you give the officer some room? Give him some room. That's it. That's it. That's it. You call us here. Don't worry, man. We gonna get them together for you. You know, you a little older in your age. You know what I'm saying? You got a wild son. Don't worry about it. He want to act out. Don't worry about it, man. We got it covered. We gonna get him together. He don't want to act right. We got it. We got it, man. Well, we gonna need a little room. Okay. We gonna need a little room. Okay, because you know why? This might hurt a little bit. Okay. No, yo, y'all remember that scene from Martin where he said this, or not from Martin, but Martin Lawrence said it somewhere. Maybe it was in Bad Boys. He said, this gonna hurt a little bit. I gotta put the clip in there. I don't even care. I'll put the clip in there. Watch. I'll put the clip. Watch. The clip gonna play right now.
Now this is gonna hurt a little bit. I say this gonna hurt a little bit. Okay.
Please don't hurt.
Left is good. Okay. You good? Okay. What did he hit me with? Oh, he hit me.
You got it on 2 body cameras.
Yeah.
This thing.
Look at the brother smoking a cigarette right in the officer's face. God damn, back up a little bit, bro. God damn.
He has epilepsy, so he has seizures.
Man, you want to terrorize your mom? Okay, I'm gonna get you together.
We don't have nothing.
Check the do-rag.
That's not your concern now. You're going to jail.
Let's go.
Nope, let's get up.
You ain't gotta do all this extra shit. You ain't gotta do all this extra shit, bro. Cause I'm not gonna get in this stuff.
To the other side.
Like I said, stop all that. I don't want to get caught up. He's locked.
Not that I know of.
You want to act like an adult?
For domestic rolling, it sounds like it's target on North Prospect.
Okay. What's started all this?
He been like this for a couple of days.
Because I know we were out here last night, right?
Yeah.
Okay. He went out to the hospital?
Yeah, and they let him right out instead of, they put that green thing on him.
Yeah.
So they can get him some help. They ain't even get him no help.
Okay. Did he go to Carl or OSF, do you know?
Carl.
They've been doing that. What
They just let him out knowing there's something wrong with
what
him.
medication does he take? Like, you know what he's diagnosed with?
Prolex. Something.
Antipsychotics?
I'm not sure. It's just a seizure medicine.
But he's not diagnosed with like bipolar, schizophrenic, anything like
but
that?
I think he is all of that.
Okay. They just haven't assessed him well enough, doesn't sound like.
Right.
She don't even know what that is. Mama Love just said, yeah, I think he got all of that. she don't know the difference between bipolar, schizophrenic, none of that shit. Yeah, he got all of that. Oh man. Oh, that's so funny.
Prolex. Something.
Antipsychotics?
I'm not sure. It's just a seizure medicine.
But he's not diagnosed with like bipolar, schizophrenic, anything like
but
that?
I think he is all of that.
Okay. They just haven't assessed him well enough, doesn't sound like.
Right.
Okay. All right. Did he batter anyone inside the house today?
No, he was acting like he was going to, picking up stuff like he just tried to hit that police with.
Okay.
Tore his he just tearing up my crib.
Does he live here?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the plan going forward with him?
Gotta get him evicted.
Like living condition wise, is he welcome to come back here? I mean,
But yeah, as long as he in his right mind, because we not finna do that. That's too much.
yeah. Okay. You okay, boss?
Yeah, I'm just walking. Wind,
Cold wind? Okay. All right, man. Is it okay if I get your info just so we can?
Yeah.
We're gonna need it for the report. So.
Okay.
No battery occurred inside. He was just tearing up the house. Verbal argument. He left. So when we got out with him, and then all that happened. So.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry I had to see it, but that's just. He's okay now in the car. He's still completely out there. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Listen, this officer right here got a fighting background. This guy right here. I don't know whether he wrestling, boxing, whatever, whatever. He doing something. You could tell because he got the calic ears. You know what I'm saying? The calic ears. A lot of times fighters, they got those ears.
But that's just. He's okay now in the car. He's
Cauliflower ears, man.
Okay. All right. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Little Conor McGregor action, huh?
You okay?
I think so.
I just saw him like this. I was like, oh, fuck.
Yeah, and I wasn't able to get his arm in time. He definitely got it down. I'm just glad it was something like that, not...
It was like wicker, looked like. It was hopefully mostly soft. I'm sure it didn't feel good.
Do we have an FI on him? I didn't get anything.
He's probably on last night's ticket. I've got mom's FI. I can do a sup with keeping you guys out of paper, but I was right there when I saw it, so I can do a sup with what I saw and what mom said.
We'll do
Is there FI information for Andrew from that ticket from last night?
So I battery PO and was this thing?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
I just got the name, no DOB or middle.
We come out here all the time.
Do we?
Check real quick, see.
What was his
I'm sure
last
we
name?
have a record though.
Is he in here? You okay, boss? You okay? Can I get a nod or something? You don't want to talk to me? Okay. Can you tell me your last name? What is it? This is my first time meeting you. I've never met you before. Is your last name like your mom's name, or is it something else?
$25.96. This is him. I got him. I got 77729. Check Pussy. Check City.
Yeah, we're good.
Last name is. First name is going to be a black male. 052096.
Dispatch has been updated.
You have her FI?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's clear, showing expired 27.
with contact.
10-4, that's going to be the 95. All right. So if you just want to do a sup for anything you thought was relevant, I'll take care of everything that happened up there.
Yeah. I've got mom's statement, so I'll do that too.
All right. We didn't do anything that would be considered use of force.
Use of force.
Effective arrest. We never took him down.
Yeah. Okay. I didn't even need like no.
I don't feel is.
No.
Fault.
All right. Well, we're good to go then.
All right.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, man.
Okay, 777. I'm going to be around County with the 95.
The suspect was arrested at the scene and charged with aggravated battery to a peace officer and resisting arrest.
Yeah. Yep. So, guy's out of pocket, man. Guy's out of pocket. I ain't gonna lie. Over there terrorizing your mom. You know, maybe something is wrong with him. You know, maybe something really is wrong with him. Honestly, because I don't think no normal son is just gonna be terrorizing a mom. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't think that's that's not going down like that, okay? See, mama in her old age, you know what I'm saying? She was a little younger. She'd get her together, you know? But she'll get him together, I should say. All fun and games, man. Typically, sons are mama's boys and stuff like that. So, you know, you got daddy's girls, mommy boys, and yada yada, you know. Anyways, cops did a good job. 5. They get a 5 from me. And that's it. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.